Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z6752A. Only 8,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold the Silverado brand new, deep ruby metallic in color. To be GM certified, vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 6, cloth interior, not only low miles but very clean inside and out. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space, and rear defrost for excellent visibility. The Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, heavy-duty trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. And as I said, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Integrated trailer brake control and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto mode. Read gauges, again only 8,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift control, as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and dividable storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, up and out of the way for a middle passenger, with even more storage below. Speaking of storage, dual glove boxes with all the owners. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimate an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and only 8,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6752A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.